Okay, so I know a bunch of you guys are having problems trying to figure out this setup right here. Let's do a new setup. So in my ears, just right off the bat, it's not pointing. Let's just say I want this corner right here to be my XYZ origin. I'm not sure what y'all's video is telling you to, but I'm just generic. Okay, so first thing I would do, I would go over here. I wish they changed these tabs. Change the stock to no stock, no additional stock. Then go back to here. So just do our setup in here. Everything is dependent on this box right here, and a couple with a combination of these. We know it's milling. We don't worry about the machine right now. So my suggestion, this is what works for me, is do a select. This is mainly for milling. Select the Z-axis, plane, and X-axis. So the first thing this box is highlighted, it's telling me pick something that is running up and down on my part. I don't really like doing planes. I like just doing lines. This line is running up and down. That is my Z. Now I jump to X. It's highlighted. What's running left and right? This is. All right, so it has got my arrows changing a little bit, but they're still not right. The next steps doesn't matter which progression. So I don't like using stock box points. I like using model box points. So I want to use this point. So it moved it, but my X is going the wrong way. My Z is going the wrong way. Flip my X. X is going the right way. Y is wrong. Z is wrong. Flip the Z. Hey, now everything's going right. Now let's go back over and move it to here. X is right, Y is right, Z is right. And okay, so that has created my origin right here. All right, let's go back and delete this setup. Let's do another one. Let's say I want to put it in the middle. It jumps up. It's creating your origin off of how you drew your part with the CAD coming in. Now, if you're importing something and you don't have a clue where someone put the origin when they drew it, that's no problem. Fusion makes it real easy in the milling. All right, again, I'm going to go to stock. I'm going to cut this off. And then later, if we need it, we can add some back in. I'm not worried about the machine. Milling is what I want. I always default to select Z-axis, plane, and X-axis. I don't like planes, but jumps to Z. Give me something that is running up and down. That's running up and down. What's running left to right? This, that line, that line. I just picked something going left and right. My arrows, my X is right. My X is in the right plane. It's in the wrong direction. Y is right. Z is right, but it's upside down. So I start flipping. All right, so Z is right, but X is wrong. Flip the X. Z is right. X is right. Y is right. Now, I never like to use stock. Always, just for the simple reason when we set up parts, we program from the model. We don't program from the stock. Model box point. Now I can pick any of these. Let's just say I want to put it right here, like a lot of people do. I would suggest in the middle because it's symmetrical. So it's got it right. Now if I need to go back and add some more stock, I can add stock to all sides, add stock, whatever. I can go and change and put more stock, 100 thousandths on the X, minus 50. That way it adds some to this side and that side. So anyway, we can go on down the list like that. But like I say, when you're doing, let's go back and look at it. When you're doing this setup, I like to have no stock added. So select Z-axis, X-axis plane. It jumps to this, jumps to that. Then you can flip to get it right and then work your way down. Model box points is what I always use. And then you click wherever you want. I hope that explains it. This box right here is everything to do with fusion milling, but it makes it so easy. Just work your way down through it till you get your arrows going the right way. Hope that worked.